Your first magic hug. This is exciting.
Is it gonna be magical?
It's magical.
Okay.
Hopefully.
I'm terrified.
Oh, it's already popping.
Oh, no.
So we're gonna lengthen your upper back. Decompress it.
Okay.
Remember that? Yeah, there you go. Keep them in hard. That was lovely, though. It cracked a lot. God, you are picky.
Oh, I'm like looking for like that intensity.
Well,
Do you know what I mean?
Like,
Yeah, that magic hug didn't do it.
yeah, it did. It did a lot. It sure did. Let it fall.
Oh, do you see what I'm saying? It's the chair.
The chair never fails.
Oh my God.
Relax. Yeah. Yeah. That was good. Did you like that one?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
I like that.
It's right there. Just let it dangle. Is this your first time? Jeez, God. Relax. There you go.
I like that. Oh, we're doing the ears.
Yeah.
I've never had this.
You weren't ever listening to me, so I thought the ears would be a good thing to do. Just relax.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my God.